Hello, everybody. Hope you guys are doing well. Right, so this is the transmission, the light codes from dinosaurs. They have been coming through from past few days, and it's quite powerful. It's quite powerful because all they have been working with me to burn off the energies which are not needed anymore. And today I was just called to do this light language and bring the code from the dinosaurs to burn off the grime from our aura, to burn off those energies which are not needed, and cleansing the aura with the dinosaurs energies. I haven't channeled for the collective yet, so this is the first time I'm channeling dinosaurs, so let's see how it goes. And let's begin. Hiratia haikiti didika hambai lere yete hare oga hera hua garamba hire te kahia takahawa arahi garahi gorohe eha bahia kahia hahua haboga hiembaka hia tere hega harahi akarahoa haika bahawambaka hete kahiwa rahiaka Rahia karuahia korohia de gehia bakahira dia dalia duahia. Raidi ke rahiti ke rahia bakarahi te kerahata kurahia korahia bakara. Irahia ke de tiki hia ka huasi ke haisi ko haisi ka hamaika. Rahi te ka lahao ka lahimbo ko lahia te ko hualaia. Hello, aki amba kalai karahi saklahi amba kailia karahi karohuleia idia hamai ka huai siki he ahia gahoba he baka he de go hai kesa karahua gahia takauha sika bahaya ka te saka hua kaisia habahi he ke to homba ke he tikarahi ka sakarahi te ko gahemba he ko huai sike ko kombai ke lahua Lai te ka homai ke rahi te ka lahia ka rai e sakahia. Abai he te ke hemba o ai a se gahaya te ke hika he te ko hasea. Habai he te ka haera huarahi e dia ka ha gahomba e rai te ka sega gahua sega hawa te gahawa ka baheria. Ia gahia sake rahi te ka hawa sake a te ka sagaha mai ka rahi te ke he se ke rahi e tahisa. Wahe ke kakahua se ke ramba kuhai ne he shakarahi te ke kakaisi ka hua kahia gambahi te ka he mōwai kia te ke raisi a ke he rohua si a kua hamai ki a he ka hua se ke hietia. Take a deep breath and just release. Release what's not needed, what's not serving you anymore, draining your energy. Just release it. They're stepping forward to help us, to help you, to burn off all that's unneeded, unwanted, not required, all the fragments, all the grime, the muck we have been carrying along, the baggage we have been carrying along, not needed anymore. The fiery energy is so beautiful. Just embrace it. Embrace that love. Haraye de galabai greti ke seklahi amba. Harai diga hige ke kaua sahikia ka rahi te ke ambai kia ko. Ia to kaua haia ka hie te ka hia sakahamba. He to korohi te kisi ka rahi ka rahi sabah rahi te ke hembo korohi te ka rahi sia. Rai te ka rahi se ka roho te ka haba kuru ende te se korohi te ka rahi embo korohi sa. Rai saku rahi emba hua gaisa te emba hei alahe te kalau go aisa garai ga go gomba. Harahe tu shaka rahi tu kushabek hei sia. Sorry. Just release. Just shielding your energy with the beautiful protection of the dinosaurs' energies. Sotarai la biga reta hiembakala nahi de isekara hito. Hurai sahi akahi te ke kagaura mbogura hiagia saikia karaya. It's time to step into your power, dear beautiful soul. It's time. Step into that power. Step into that reminding of who you are. You are light. You're beautiful. You're divine. You are the co-creator, co-author, co-lyricist, co-producer of your own life. No more judgment. No more taking orders from anybody. Live your life the way you want it to be. Step into that ownership, that accountability, that responsibility you owe to yourself. Drink lots and lots of water after this. Ground yourself. This is the new energy, so just be gentle with yourself.